Morning, my name is Rizky Dwi Milanawati from 11 Science D. I would like to present about my work. The title is Flood. Flood is one of the natural disasters in which the land is inundated by excessive water flow. The Big Indonesian Dictionary or KBBI shows that flood means water in a lot and swift, sometimes overflows, or even sinking the land due to an increase in water volume. The, this disaster often occurs both in rural and urban areas. Even in some places, flooding has become an annual agenda. Floods in different locations, of course, will have different impacts. Most of the urban floods will cause damage to the facilities and infrastructure of residential areas. It is different if this disaster occurs in rural areas, which in general will cause the inundation of agricultural land and fields belonging to the community. Floods occur not only without cause, but are caused by many factors, both natural and human factors. The following are the various causes of one of these hydrometeorological disasters. Areas with low topographical condition or so-called lowlands will have a higher risk of being hit by flooding than highlands. This is common because water flows place. In addition, the downstream area of a watershed tends to have a low slope. So, what is it more likely to have these hydrometeorological disasters? Continuous heavy rain can cause the volume of water on land to increase. If this continues, the river will not longer be able to accommodate the large volume of water available. As a result, the river overloaded and this disaster occurred. Blockage of water flow both in the river and in the ditch due to accumulated garbage will disturb the flow of water. This, of course, will make the flow of water quickly overflow, causing this hydrometeorological disaster. The water infiltration area is very important to absorb water on the surface into the ground. At this time, water catchment areas are very rarely found, especially in urban areas. Areas that should be water infiltration areas are actually covered by asphalt or concrete structure so that the water that should be infiltrated will pull on the surface. Floods are natural catastrophic events that occur when excessive water flows submerge the land. The EU Flood Directive defines flooding as temporary immersion of water of land on land that is normally not submerged in water. Floods caused a lot of losses, took away property, lives, and all natural conditions were damaged because of it. Thank you and see you.
Hai, siapa ya? Sama kok aku juga.